Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you look like pancake steps, but Garmin Connect shows 0. It's basically quite the issue. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix steps not updating in Garmin Connect app in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, go all the way and sync your watch. Step 5 on your watch first. They only move to the app when you synchronize it. So as for now, we're gonna go all the way to open the Garmin Connect app. Make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Make sure also you log in using your email address and password to access this dashboard. As for now, pull down the top to refresh. Just like this, you will be able to see this small arrow. Or on your watch itself, hold the light button, then tap the 2 arrows. It's basically a sync icon. As for an important note, refresh is not totally syncing. Well, here is the mistake we all do sometimes. Refreshing the app screen does not sync the data itself, it just refreshes what is already there. You must actually sync the watch. If your watch says like 10k steps and the app says 0, you haven't used that option yet. So just wait for it for some minutes, since sync can take up for 10 minutes, 15, it depends, especially after days without connecting. Just be patient, do not keep spamming the sync button, that can actually slow it more down. And that's the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.